Hello and good morning to all of you. Let us start today's current affairs of 24th September. गाइस यहाँ पे पीडीएफ का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप वहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा. First news is Mohammad Hussein Rubal appointed Somalia's new prime minister. Somali President Mohammad Abdullahi Farmaji has appointed the replacement of former Prime Minister Hassan Ali Khair, who was impeached by Parliament. President appointed Mohammad Hussein Rubal, a humanitarian, as country's new Prime Minister. Somali capital Mogadishu, currency is shilling. Novak Djokovic wins men's singles event in Italian Open. In tennis, world number 1 Novak Djokovic won the 36th Masters title by beating Diego Schwartzman in the Italian Open at Rome. नोवाक जोकोविक का ये यूएस ओपन से डिस्क्वालीफाई होने के बाद ये फर्स्ट टूर्नामेंट था. कैपिटल ऑफ सर्बिया इज बेलग्रेड, करेंसी इज दिनार. President Ramnath Kovind to confer National Service Scheme awards for 2018-19. President will confer the NSS award for the year 2018-19 virtually from Rashtrapati Bhavan. NSS awards for the year 2018-19 will be given to 42 awardees in 3 different categories like university, NSS units and their program officers and NSS volunteers. NSS centrally sectored scheme launched in 1969. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज आरबीआई ने अपॉइंट किया है न्यू पीएमसी बैंक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. फॉर्मर जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया A.K. Dixit will take over from J.B. Bhoria, who is stepping down due to health reasons. 25th RBI governor is Shaktikant Das and RBI established in 1935. पार्लियामेंट में इसेंशियल कमोडिटी बिल्स 2020 पास हो गया है. पार्लियामेंट पास 7 की बिल्स इंक्लूडिंग द क्रूशियल इसेंशियल कमोडिटी अमेंडमेंट बिल. द बिल रिमूव सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, ऑयल सीड्स, edible oils, onion and potatoes from the list of essential commodities and removes stock holding limits on them. Bill amends the Essential Commodity Act 1955. Next news is मुख्यमंत्री कल्याण किसान कल्याण योजना to be start in Madhya Pradesh. Under this scheme, additional financial assistance of 4,000 rupees will be given to eligible beneficiaries of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. PM Kisan is centrally sponsored scheme with 100% funding from Government of India. This is effective from 2018. Next news is Union Commerce and Industry Railway Minister Piyush Goyal participates in the G20 meeting of Trade and Investment Ministers. Piyush Goyal took part in the virtual meeting of G20 Trade and Investment Minister. He said that India is not in a position to accept the concept of DEFFT and stresses on the importance of small retailers in sustaining food chains and essential supplies. G20 Summit 2020 will be held in Saudi Arabia's capital Riyadh. क्योंकि इस G20 की करंट प्रेसिडेंसी सऊदी अरेबिया के पास है तो उसकी कैपिटल रियाद में G20 के सारे जितने भी समिट्स हैं वो अभी कंडक्ट हो रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज एंगरीता शेरपा एवरेस्ट रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकर डाइज एट 72. एंगरीता शेरपा पॉपुलरली नोन एज स्नो लेपर्ड passed away. He first reached the summit of the world's tallest mountain in 1983. He holds the Guinness World Record of climbing Mount Everest 10 times without using an oxygen supplement. He received Sir Edmund Hillary Mountain Legacy Medal in 2011. Next news is International Day of Sign Language 23 सितंबर को सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है. UN observed 23rd September as International Day of Sign Languages to raise awareness of the importance of sign language in realization of human rights of people who are deaf. It was first celebrated in 2018 as part of International Week of Deaf. International Week of Deaf, first celebrated in September 1958. Next news is PM launched project to connect all villages in Bihar with OFC internet. OFC is optical fiber cable internet. Bihar will be the first Indian state to connect all villages by OFC internet. This project will be completed by 31st March to 2021 and it will be cost around 1000 crore. This will enable the digital revolution to reach the farthest corner of the state. OFC project has been launched by Department of Telecommunication. Next news is Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey takes voluntary retirement. The DGP, Director General of Police Gupteshwar Pandey has taken VRS. Bihar government has granted his request 5 months before the completion of his service tenure on February 28, 2021. फरवरी 28, 2021 को वो रिटायर हो रहे थे, उससे 5 महीने पहले उन्होंने VRS लिया है. एडिशनल चार्ज ऑफ DGP हैज़ बीन गिवन टू DG होमगार्ड SK सिंगल. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar and Governor is Shri Phagu Chauhan. Next news is DRDO conducts successful flight test of Abhyas. The successful flight test of Abhyas, high speed expendable aerial target, conducted by DRDO from the interim test range Balasore in Odisha. Abhyas is designed and developed by Aeronautical Development Establishment of DRDO. DRDO chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy and DRDO formed in 1958. Rising temperatures shrink Arctic sea ice to second lowest level on record. According to National Snow and Ice Data Center, Arctic sea ice or the floating ice cover of the Arctic Ocean has reached its minimum extent for the year, shrinking to the second lowest extent since record keeping began in 1978. 1978 में इसका रिकॉर्ड रखना स्टार्ट किया गया था. Arctic Ocean is the smallest of the world's 5 major oceans. Next news is Voice of Dissent is authored by historian Romila Thapar. R. Thapar come out with a historical essay exploring dissent, including articulation and a public response to its particular forms with a focus on protest in nation. Penguin Random House India and Seagull Books will publish the book titled Voices of Dissent. रोमिला थापर को क्लूग प्राइज मिला है 2008 में. SBI Life inks pact with Yes Bank to sell insurance policies. SBI Life Insurance has signed bancassurance agreement with Yes Bank. Yes Bank aimed to provide financial security to its customers and reduce the protection gap in India. MD and CEO of SBI Life is Mahesh Kumar Sharma. गूगल पे इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है टैप टू पे ऑप्शन फॉर SBI कार्ड यूजर्स इन इंडिया. SBI कार्ड मेड अ कोलैबोरेशन विद गूगल टू इनेबल कस्टमर्स टू यूज देयर कार्ड्स ऑन गूगल पे प्लेटफॉर्म. Users will be able to make card payments using GPay app on their Android smartphones in 3 modes: tap and pay, by scanning QR code, and online payments. SBI card is the India's largest credit card issuer. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज HDFC लाइफ ने येस बैंक के साथ बैंक अश्योरेंस एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है. HDFC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस साइंड अ कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी एग्रीमेंट विद येस बैंक to offer comprehensive life insurance solutions. It includes solutions for protection, savings and investment, retirement and clinical illness. Yes Bank CEO is Prashant Kumar and Yes Bank founded in 2004. Next news, Prime Minister to hold virtual summit with Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. PM will hold discussions with Sri Lankan counterpart in September 26 in India's first virtual summit in the neighborhood Leaders are expected to deliberate on issues like ways to deepen anti-terror cooperation, boost overall defense and trade ties. ये फर्स्ट वर्चुअल समिट है जो कि 26 में से फर्स्ट वर्चुअल समिट है इस बार की अपने पड़ोसी देशों के साथ भारत की. श्रीलंका कैपिटल जयवर्धनेपुरे कोट्टे एंड करेंसीज रुपी. प्राइम मिनिस्टर पेज ट्रिब्यूट्स टू राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर. PM paid tributes to Rashtrakavi Dinkar on his birth anniversary. He was born in Bihar in 1908. He was a 3-time Rajya Sabha member and passed away in 1974. Next news is ex-defense minister appointed Mali interim president. Former Mali defense minister Banda was named interim president while the leader of Junta was appointed vice president. Nadav was appointed by a group of 17 electors chosen by the Junta for an 18-month transition that will culminate in fresh elections. Mali capital is Bamako, currency is West African CFA franc. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज़ फॉर वॉचिंग. और आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच.